People who drive on the toll from Spanish Town towards Ochi direction, please, whether you go towards Ochi or come back from Ochi, please be careful, because when you reach a Linstead vicinity, some man up on the bridge in the Linstead vicinity are fling stone on a vehicle for you stop, so them can rob you or do what them want to do. No. Them not understand. One man broke him man last night. Stone fly through the windscreen and lick the man and broke the man.
TWNTV, this is the boy doing beats back at you again with another video, you see. And as you can see, boy, the man him just like police and soldier. Now the Christmas here, Jaja, who can we trust? King Selassie, Jaja. Why I don't know Rasta. All me can say, people be careful. You know, man, them a fling stone and a careful and stuff so them can rob you or do what they want to do, as what the man say. Jaja. People, at Christmas time, we're going to be careful. Careful out there. Yes, Rasta, as we are talking about is foreign life. Yes, so me answer, that's the title of the video. And I don't want to get me twisted and get me wrong when me I say all Jamaican need to fly out. I mean, fly out, but, you know, who want to go back home, go back home. You know what I mean? Because, you know what I mean, enough time we born in one place and more time, no place and not really feel we. You understand? We live better somewhere else. You understand? But enough people want to go back where them come from. Nothing wrong with that. You see what I say? But end of the day, we are talking about Jamaican. You know what I mean? Should have a passport we can travel all over the world. Just like the USA book, just like the UK book, just like the Canada book. Why Jamaica couldn't have one book to Rasta? So me I say, yeah. But anyway, foreign life, it's not easy. I'm in love for all the people in Jamaica can come witness that. You know what I say? You know, without a man come back, come tell you what go on. I want you come here, come witness that and see that for yourself. Aya. You see me I say? Just like my brother named Shakin Murray. Yes, Rasta. Make him tell about it. When they somewhere in Europe there. Check him out.
You see all of you Jamaican who want to come to foreign. Me not saying no if you come to foreign, you know. But make sure say before you come to foreign, prepare on your head. Because you're going to receive a lot of letters in these foreign countries. Right after in Germany, you know, with a letter country, in a letter. Pure letter, me have to sort out and a throw away and a put in a docket and all them type of thing. You know, say it. Me born and go to Jamaica when me never get a letter yet. And me come to Germany and collect letter. Collect letter. Eh? Pure letter. You know, say it. The letter you will mad, you have to firm and strong in them foreign country. And the same thing I go on over America too, and Canada and England. You see me? So all around Jamaica who want to come foreign, make sure so the firm up on the head for face them letter ya when you reach. Me! Shocking Murray said that. You hear that? Letter country them ya. Bomba clad. Coletta. Eh? Coletta. And then you have one man named Postman a ride around on a yellow bicycle. Me call him the problem deliver. Him ride around and deliver all of the problem them. You know say it? Jaja.
Yes, Rasta. Them letters they call bills. Yeah, man. Them things do not play Rasta. When you come to pick up resident in any country, just like your own country, you have to pay your bills them. But them places are well strict now where they not play when it come to bills, my brother. No joke. But anyway, so this to say this, end of the day, what I mean, when you come for visit, it's different, when you're a resident, it's different, because when I say left your country, come on next country to come live and pay your bills, and that I mean when I say all Jamaican needs to fly, you know what I mean, but all Jamaican need to come see and know what go on in other different foreign countries, just like other different people go to Jamaica if can see what go on. Because them go up on the news channel and all them can hear a murder, kill. But at the day, when them go there, them feel good. So it's good to you to come see what go on and know what go on. You know what I mean? Because enough Puerto Rican friend me have. You know what I mean? And them are citizen America. You know what I mean? Puerto Rico is a small island just like Jamaica too. And me I work with this bridge now years, And the man has come to me one day and say, Yard, I go back home, And the man they are citizen America, brother. So me I say, I'm gonna say me I go back home to Puerto Rico, Yeah, man. And that me I try to show you everybody wanna come and stay. Some people come and visit and make a move again, And that man I love to see Jamaican people can come make a visit. And who want to stay, Yes, Rasta. Check out this lady who leave Jamaica to live in Canada. And Canada is a very cool place when it's ready. I'm telling you. But I know she'd rather live in Jamaica and visit Canada. But she'd rather stay in Canada for certain reasons. Check her out.
I'm in Alberta, Canada, and it's cold. Sometimes the temperature here gets to levels that us Caribbean people were just not designed to live in. The food we like to eat, housing, transportation are all expensive. Oh, and taxes are just ridiculous. So why am I choosing to live here instead of just going back home? Well, when your family have come face to face with gunmen, when too many people have been going about their daily lives and have been robbed or killed, or when you're constantly seeing successful business owners becoming targets or just being threatened to move their businesses because it's taking away business from somebody else, the thing that becomes most important to you at that point in your life is a peace of mind. It's not about the money. I'm not choosing to live in Canada because I somehow believe I'll be richer by living here than in the Caribbean. In fact, the cost I am paying to live here is way more than the cost I would pay to live back home. But I'm paying to know that when I call the police, they will show up. I am paying to know that I could be out at night and not be fearing for my life. I'm paying to know that I could have a successful business to help people and not worry that I'll be forced to close it down. There is no price I can put on my peace of mind. That's what I'm paying for.
Jesus Christ, not it. So what me I talk about? A peace of mind, Rasta. If the youth them can fly out, have a peace of mind, a breath of fresh air. 99% I think them will say no to the gun. But it feel, you take your last money and go to the embassy and look a visa and them say you denied. Jesus Christ. All in your heart, they say, but they go take your gun and done here, man. Yeah. But if you know from day one, you have a passport, could have fly go all over the world, I think you would say no to the gun. Jaja. It hurt for know the people have left from their own country and afraid to go back. You see what me I talk about, Rasta? The lady rather pay for your peace of mind. If you can go out on the road at night, you understand why she can't do that in Jamaica. Why? Because the youth them live in a box and don't know where to go. Few people get the visa, Rasta. I think it would be better if a man have them passport can travel without no visa. Gun? No man no want to see that. Check out Dino Crazy. Yes, Rasta get a name this time. Look how the man feel good. I visit the man, I visit UK. I man knows them soon go back home, go back a vibes, and next couple months or next few weeks, him can say me I travel again. No time for gun, Rasta. Time for fun. Check it out.
Yeah, brother. Pardon me. Hold on. Tickets? Right place to come, brother. Much money now? You guys can't sell tickets here. Huh? No, I'm undercover like you. I don't you not have on the vest. Isn't it?
Just trying to get some tickets.
Yeah, that's tickets. Much money. Start coming up with you. Much money. £10? You could do I don't like the next 10 brother. 50? Alright, come here. Can? Yeah, can. Yeah. Quick and fast. Match acting now. Yeah. Alan no, then I'm in jail. What you do? Alan a play now.
Yeah. Send out. Yeah.
No man, give me ticket, bad man. Where money? I money me I deal with charge. You know do. Yo, two things someone I deal with charge. Look at my man now, get stop. I want someone charge it. Look at my man in that thing. Someone to know what they're going to charge it. Yeah, Alan, score this with me. Brilliant, man, think back. No run for the thing, brother. Someone to try dogs. Oh, it's free kick over. Penalty. Come on, sit it. What is someone charging? I don't realize what I'm going to charge you. Foolish man, you see that?